Hey, this is Nick Nilsson, Mad Scientist of Muscle, and this exercise that I've got for you today is going to make you very angry at me. I can promise you that. What it is a back off bench press weighted crunch. Now, it sounds complicated and it's not particularly straightforward, but once you see it in action, I think you're going to really appreciate the beauty of it. What you're going to do here is, on the bench, sit on the bench while holding a pair of dumbbells. You are going to brace your legs up underneath this bar, loaded to just 135 pounds. You don't need much weight on here. Your upper back is going to be off the end of the bench. Now, holding those dumbbells, you are going to curl your body down at the bottom, come down into the bottom of the dumbbell bench press. Now, you're going to simultaneously do a crunch and a press. So you're going to come up, pushing the dumbbells up and crunching up at the same time. Now, it looks simple, sounds simple, not so easy to do in practice. What you're going to do here is basically murder yourself slowly. So what I'm going to do is a set of this. I'm going to do as many reps as I can, including the crunch. When I've hit my limit with the crunching, then I'm just going to hold an isometric flat position for the barbell, for the dumbbell bench press, and I'm just going to rep out with the dumbbells for as long as I can, either with my chest given out or my abs given out. Now, do not use heavy weight for this. I'm literally only using a pair of 30-pound dumbbells. Really focus on getting a hard squeeze on your chest. The ab stuff's going to take care of itself. You'll have no choice in the matter. So here's what it looks like. And if you have a rack, dumbbell, bench, try this one. Start by holding your dumbbells. You want to have those in your hands. Sit on the bench with your hips just below the bench, the bar. Then put your knees on the bench. Now you're ready. So that's the exercise. Now, as you can see, it looks like it probably should be easier than it actually is. Once you get really into it, the continuous tension on the abdominals is ridiculous. The continuous tension on your chest, also ridiculous. You put these two together, by the time you finish the set, by the time you rep out with every phase of this, you're gonna literally be cursing me. I'm there right now, I'm right there with you. So give this one a shot, I think you're gonna love it.